climbing and sliding, rock hopping, and hoping, wishing, and praying that I didn't have to get carried up on a little tarp is what this hike consisted of. If you're coming to Napuru Waterfall, I'm just trying to prepare you for the real. You gotta be ready. For all of us over 25, are your knees in good shape? How's your balance? Oh, and another thing, you may have to pee in a bush after all that movement, but let's just hope not. Anywho, my name is Carly and welcome to Archer Adventures. I know y'all may have seen some Tanzanian landscapes from my other videos, but simply riding through the village here in Arusha gets me every time. This street is Sake. It's on the side close to Mount Meru. Me and my friend / guide Edgiver are going up this road to Meru Forest Ecotourism to start the hike. They have a lot of activities there, like a small zip line, camping, and recently I saw that they offer rides on quad bikes and buggies, but that day I really just felt like hiking. So let's meet the guides, y'all.
Yes. How are you? I'm Edgiver. You're welcome to Tanzania.
Wow. And Omari too.
My name is Omari Sulaiman. I'm Gaida.
I see. Y'all are stars. At the beginning of the hike, they spotted these raspberries. But apparently people from here call them strawberries. And on hikes, I love finding different types of plants I've never seen before. Bush mint. Yeah. This is for castor oil?
Okay.
That's like the only thing I put in my hair.
Yeah.
What?
Not this one.
Not that one?
This
Oh,
one.
shoot.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, that one. And this is the African Cape mahogany tree. These trees are all over Meru Forest. They look beautiful from the bottom to the top.
Yeah, they look pretty.
It takes about 30-45 minutes to get down to the waterfall, which is not bad at all. But remember, you have to come back up. So make sure you conserve your energy, y'all.
Very careful. Very.
Yeah.
Hello.
And after these steps, this is when the real, workout commenced. Ike's B.
Let me record you while you're going.
It's already recording.
Oh, okay.
Be slowly.
Even slower.
Yeah.
These particular shoes I was wearing, they didn't have much traction. It's like I just kept sliding. It was a little bit muddy, just a little bit. But yeah, I think it got stuck up in the ridges of the shoes and yeah, slip and slide. That's why you see me taking very careful steps, like super careful. I just make sure my feet are planted on each one. I suggest hiking shoes.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. I can't hear you, Kelly. Jambo. Don't cry. Habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa. Napuru yetu hakuna matata.
Nice.
I still don't see how Edgiver recorded this and came down without sliding. She had on boots.
Can you say hakuna matata na Napuru yetu?
Hakuna matata.
Okay, let's go.
As you can see by this point, it's burning up. Bun falling down, everything.
Asante. Did you want to take photos with them? What were you asking?
Oh, like that they're gonna walk up there with that. Oh, you can show
Yeah.
what they're carrying.
I-
They said it was okay to record them.
As you can see here, we are taking grasses to our cows at home. We're just hiking with the grasses. You can see how hard it is.
But carrying that up this landscape is crazy.
Can you see how they are struggling to take it up? Unahitaji msaada? So,
I don't know how far they have to go, but I would hope for them that home is close by.
good.
Oh, I thought you was about to say it's out of space. I'm like,
No.
during the hike, I didn't realize Cape Mahoga was the mahogany tree. But yeah, look at the color on the inside.
Which you used to swing on. The bears.
Why is it so red? Like red dirt?
Yeah, that is its color.
Oh.
Okay.
At least it'll be on video how I chose to die in this life.
No, you're not dying actually.
Ooh,
Life is amazing.
it's great. Okay, this is not too bad.
Wow. So my friend, she's doing amazing. I'm just thinking, how am I going to get down there? But I think I will. I'll show you next time how I get down.
Well, you got it.
Yeah, I do.
Scared.
No. I'm fresh like banana on the fridge.
I really just felt like a lot of these steps were like half my height. As you can see me like granny walking and crab walking down the hill. This hiking stuff is serious. I felt like Spider-Woman.
Actually, you are doing a great job. You are looking good yourself. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. I was prepared, though not well prepared. Hello. Mambo. Say poa kichizi kama ndizi. Kama ndizi. Mambo. Kichizi. Kama ndizi. Yes. No. Almost there. Don't you see the water falling down the hills? Habari mzima, mbona umekaa kinyonge? Changamka bwana, tunaogopa ukikaa hivyo. Yeah.
I decided to pick a good rock for all of us to take a picture on. But that was really quick because I was excited to see where the path was leading. So she told me it wouldn't be good to drink the water from right here, maybe further up. And she pointed out some pumice stones to me, which is really cool because I don't think I've ever seen them in the wild. But anyway, look how clear, like literally clear.
It's like water.
Yeah.
I mean, duh. I feel like a lot of the rock formations and things I saw, they were given Jurassic Park. Were there dinosaurs here once upon a time? Mm-hmm. Like T-Rex? No dinosaurs. I don't know. Whew. The path that lays ahead. Ooh. Oh, I sure am. Ooh. I'm so scared of dropping my phone. If I fall,
I wanted to help you.
okay.
Yeah. Side. Yes.
As long as I don't fall, I'm okay. I realized later on in the hike that some things and some steps would have been much easier if I wasn't afraid of getting my shoes wet, which they did in the end.
But don't worry about the screen.
But that's why I go first, so you'll know. Just bring shoes you're not worried about getting wet. And, I mean, you know, it'll be fine. It's just shoes. They can be washed.
I don't know.
I like to hike, but there's not many, like, free parks here. Or, like, you know, I'm used to, like, a city park. Edgiver was asking me, like, okay, do I work out or anything like that? And I'm like, not really. I kind of just like to do hikes. But here, there's really no need for certain parks because people live all throughout the villages. Like, their walks home are hikes. Now, y'all watch Omari climb over this little, I don't know, baby waterfall. They told me I should go over there for a picture too. I was like, you know, just one in front of the baby waterfall will do. It'll do.
Yeah, just
now y'all know I was scared. I was eyeing it, and look, I don't climb trees.
It's okay then if you can't do that. Okay.
But I was so happy they encouraged me because it was nice. I never, you know, did anything like that before. Today, my God, it's so bright. You see, you shining.
Why?
Because it's so bright.
Okay.
Ooh. That's crazy.
You look good actually.
Thank you. Like, yeah, it got you in the sun.
And your outfit.
Woo. I'm glad I wore this and not like a turtleneck or anything like that. I don't really have too much sportswear. I kind of just stick to the basics and then, yeah, some sneakers. Wow. I didn't know how far we had left to go, but I know the water was getting stronger and louder. And Edgiver was attempting. Whew.
I can't do it.
Yes.
If you are barefoot, you can do that.
Oh yeah. Like maybe some things I can try. Some other things, complete no.
That's fine.
Sheesh. Oh my. The views were getting crazier and crazier.
Oh yeah. The smoke on that is
But what was even crazier was the fact that I had to climb up that rickety ladder. She didn't catch me hiking it, but look how these other hikers are handling it. I was just thrown off by the spider webs, like, no way. But we did it. And little did I know, the waterfall was right around the corner.
Try. Yeah, so amazing.
Wow. Like, wow. So next time you should try. Like, if it is gone. And then you go. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like, that one is shaking.
it's shaky.
Okay. I gotta get this. This is like crystal clear.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
I'll put my hand in there.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And we made it. This is Napuru Waterfall. Yeah, like even the power has been going out lately. And I think that's because of the rain, right? Whoa.
So now it's the salty stream
Yeah.
providing the water
Woo.
from the main road. This one.
Whole time I be smiling for these pictures, like I'm getting blasted in the face by water. And she told me that, you know, some people would swim in there if the water was higher. But that's why I was throwing the rocks, just to see like how shallow it is at the point where the water is, you know, touching the ground. It was shallow. I was committed to keeping my shoes on because they were already wet, but Edgiver took hers off. I think, you know, she's a little bit more one with nature than I am. I was really just scared I would cut my feet on the rocks. But I'm happy we got to take our pictures together and everything. So big thanks to Omar being a good photographer. And y'all know the struggle of doing stuff like this with glasses. Like, I could barely see anything. I'm fine with that though. I'm just happy I made it. We made it. We did a full hike. Nobody got hurt. And it was a good time. That's really all that matters. Thank you so much. I'ma need this. As you can see, Omar wasn't tired at all. He said he does this hike maybe 2 or 3 times a day. It's hard work being a guide. I mean, I might as well. My shoes wet now. Shoot. No, it's all good. I'm basically swimming. Okay, let's wait till the end. I'm literally insane for that. Luckily, we were one of the first groups to get there. But on the way back, we started to see more people making their way. I feel like they didn't look as tired as I did, but you know, maybe they like some OG hikers, advanced hikers, experts. Every time I do one of these hikes, I'm just surprised that I made it through to the end and, you know, that I'm able to get back in one piece. So that's all for the hike, but I'm happy to share the ride back since we took a different route. The driver wasn't able to take the main road because there was a Maasai meeting. Apparently somebody was getting in trouble. I don't know what their crime or whatever they did. I don't know what they did wrong. But apparently they had to have like a public beating. And I was like, what? That's crazy. And it's embarrassing. The community will be there to see. But maybe that keeps people from, you know, doing crazy things. Or just immoral things. Everybody has to learn their lessons. And yeah, the culture is interesting. But anyway, I was happy to have y'all on this hike with me. I don't know when the next one will be, but go ahead and subscribe for any of my other adventures here in Tanzania or maybe later Kenya. I'm not sure where I'll be next. Okay, bye.